We are right now at Zoo.
Call Icy auntie.
Second. So I'll go after. You know, John was Jesus' cousin.
What did you learn?
Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras.
So now we have just reached the church. Today is Hriday's first day in Sunday school. So he's going to go, but before that we need to attend Mass. So 8 a.m. is the Mass. We're going to head there now. And after Mass, he's going to attend his class and we are going to attend our class. So Bagu, Aajcha Divas.
Kasa jato?
We are right now searching for Hriday's class. We have no clue where to be. This is, I guess, second. So I'll go after. So we just dropped Hriday at Sunday school. It's his first day there, and now I've come here to attend my Sunday school. Yeah, it's going to be for a long time, maybe 3 hours or so. Let's see how it goes. So guys, we just got done with our Sunday school. We went for Mass. Hriday, how was your first day? What did you do?
Today I wrote the sign of the cross and Our Father.
Oh, they taught you these. Okay, that's nice. But new friends, did you make any friends?
Yes.
What are they? And give me one name at least.
Orion.
Orion. Oh, nice name. Orion. Sounds like a Pokemon also. Nice name. I like it. Okay, now we'll head home.
We also had our second session today.
We also had a second session today. Yes.
What did you learn? I
What
mean, you must have already known.
Yeah, I should
but
be asking the question. What did you
No,
learn?
but something you should say na that you learnt new today. कुछ तो ऐसे रहेगा. Either about yourself, not only in the Bible, but about yourself.
I don't know. You start. What did you learn? Because you're in a new journey.
So I'll tell you, last session was the first session. So in that I learnt about how Jesus was baptized. And today
Who baptized Jesus?
John,
And who is John?
his cousin.
I didn't know any of this, by the way. I came to know in the last lecture and I was wondering who is John. But I knew this something called a John the Baptist church existed. So I came to know last Sunday that John the Baptist is and the one who baptized
Then
Jesus.
we went and
Yeah.
actually when we were having food, we went and we discussed who was John, like who were
Yeah.
John's parents.
I
and
didn't
all
even know
that.
John was Jesus' cousin, and I didn't even know John's parents. Yeah, I mean, a lot of things were unknown to me.
Yeah, okay, let's not get into the details. But coming to today's session, so something you must have learnt, no? Like not about the Bible, but some relevance in your life.
I just
or
learned
something.
that there will be a lot of obstructions that come in our way in this journey,
Especially in the,
especially in the.
you say?
Hey, baby, I'm not getting exam. You both you
No,
tell me.
especially during which phase? When Jesus came back from where? He suffered
So
the
you
most
so okay, yeah. So
in the beginning.
in the beginning
journey.
of his journey, there were a lot of obstructions. There were a lot of chaos, and he wasn't accepted in his own neighborhood. So you know, so
In his own village.
his
where
own
he
village.
was
Yeah,
Nazareth.
correct. So obviously we'll also be facing those obstructions, but the thing that was taught is that should not deter you in doing
That was
what
not thought. That was something that we need to
think about. Yeah. You only give the answers. I will say that only.
Yeah, we need to analyze in such a way that those things are happening in our life, in our relevance, and how will we find a solution to things we need to do it. मतलब खुद से करना पड़ेगा. No one will come and teach you all that.
Whatever she said.
Yes.
ठीक है. Now we'll head home.
Hmm.
And what are we going to do about lunch? Are you hungry?
So this Sunday we didn't plan it well, where you know your hand is paining.
Yeah, that's why you.
So this Sunday we didn't plan it well. So I think now we'll just eat something in and around over here. मग पुढच्या संडे पासून we'll figure out
What
how
to
our
do,
cook will, you know,
Yeah,
come
Preeti
home
Anu
when
also
we
have
are-
gone back
They
home.
left this morning.
Yeah, they left this morning, so house will be empty again. It was nice to have them around, and I always believe that sisters need to spend their time. That's why I made sure they three are together. I and Hriday were at home.
In case
Yeah.
you haven't watched that vlog,
Yesterday's vlog, yes,
please click.
on the link. You check it out. Chalo, now let's go and search for a place to have lunch. We have now checked into a hall, to a mall. All I'm saying, we are right away in a mall, and we're going to explore now for the next 2 hours. Do some window shopping. We'll go and eat something first.
Because we have to be back.
Yeah, we have another meeting to attend in the evening, and it's closer to the mall here. So from
That's
the mall.
with my sponsor.
Yeah, with her sponsor. We'll tell you all this detailing later on. Too much of chaos and noise out here. So now we're going to head to eat something at the food court.
They've got the food.
Sir, go get the wings and come. Take this.
More is pending.
I got chicken wings also. They can't have a
अच्छा.
Check this out. Chicken wings. Hey. Looks good, no? Chalo, let's have. Just got done with our lunch, and now we are off to do some window shopping. She's searching for some shops. We are right now at Zodio, and this is what she's doing. Bhai, choose kar lena ek.
Tell me which one will look good.
All are looking good.
This one?
Ah, that one. Chal done. She finally chose this. Now she's removing them. That's not a permanent marker. Good. Hriday, did you decide on a book? Search. Hriday has purchased this book for himself, and I have purchased these 2 books. It's going to be fun reading them.
I think she like this one.
Take that. Take that. It's nice. This is a good flea place to have things. Good flea market.
For Loisy auntie. She's a BTS fan.
And of course, I've come to our favorite place. So you guys know I usually buy this round, and of course we bought this as well. Lot of things to look around. Are you finalizing on these 2? Acha.
Which one is good?
According to me, this is better. This is horrible.
Hriday also finds
Which
it
one did you like,
horrible.
Hriday? Peach, no? Same here. Buy this, finish it off. Chal. Baby, buy na fast. Finish it off, no.
Shopping is infinite. Even when she starts shopping, she has
What are you holding? Books. Good. Yeah, both are good. ये वो लंबा नहीं है क्या? छोटा अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है. It's look like you're wearing a socks. Baby done. What did you purchase? Show how many. अरे बाप रे. Hriday, chalo, let's go. Mama's done. Come, let's go.
So आता आम्ही सगळी शॉपिंग वगैरे करून we are heading to Infant Jesus Church. Baby is busy driving. There's lots of traffic and we have to reach there. So basically today I have a meeting with my sponsor. So I don't know who it is
And
yet.
potential godparents.
Yeah, and potential godparents.
So for her, for Pooja, we cannot select the godparents. We can't keep a family member. We can't keep a friend or a known person. It has to be somebody neutral to both of us.
Yes.
And that's the reason why they
It
are
should
going to,
be,
so it's
no,
gonna
no
come
one
in
from the known sides.
sides.
And mostly all this is because I'm an adult, so that person, like whoever is going to be
Yeah.
my
For
grandparent,
children it's different, but for an adult,
Yeah. it needs to be a neutral person.
so that the priest will decide.
Yes.
So now we are on our way just for that meeting. I don't know whether today only we'll get to meet the sponsor or not.
Sponsor we'll get to meet today.
मेरे को नहीं लगता है, but let's see. This is how it is. We always not on the same terms in certain things. Today is one of them. She feels that today she's going to receive a sponsor. I am like, might not.
Let's see.
Let's see.
आगे जाके
आगे
वीडियो में
चलेगा,
पता
पता
चल
चलेगा.
जाएगा if I
Correct.
found a sponsor or not. And yeah, out of the Lord, if I get to see or maybe decide my potential godparents, I'll let you all know.
Yes. Anybody would like to be?
Okay, chalo. Let's see how the video goes ahead.
So we have reached Infant Jesus Church at the moment, and now the meeting is about to begin. But I guess there's also a mass that's taking place, so let's see how the scenario will be. Baby and Hriday are here. See how the jackfruits, last time we had showed jackfruits, no? See, it's still there. How is the feeling of attending mass twice?
Good, you should have also come inside.
No, I slept in the car.
Bad boys.
Hey,
He was watching Young Sheldon.
hey, you are also watching with me. You are not
So we are right now, as I said, we are at Infant Jesus Church. I got a heat boil, and I didn't want to attend mass again. And baby wanted to, so she went ahead. We were in the car sleeping. Now we shall go for the meeting. Father has called us, so we'll get that done first now. So guys, we are back home now. I'm extremely tired. We had a word, we had a meeting. Baby didn't get her sponsor, as I told you today. She will not get it. But then the search is still on.
Everyone got,
Got
only
except-
I did not.
It's okay. You
And
get
that
it with
is
time.
mostly because of my location, nothing personal.
And it's fine,
We
it's fine,
stay
yes.
A little far
That's
away
fine, that's
from our
manageable.
church,
Yeah,
yeah.
sure. That's okay, we'll get done. And now we have reached home, so we're gonna end the vlog here. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.